What you doing there, buddy?
What you doing, mama? You taking a video?
Yep.
Alright.
You're the
I'm
star.
glad you're getting this because this is one of the only documented times anybody's ever seen me wait.
Trying to get it in there. He's got to get both. This takes much skill.
Takes concentration.
Oh, can you get it? No, you just gotta kind of finagle with it a little bit here. See, ladies and gentlemen, if he hadn't have taken it off the first time. Hold this.
Here you go, buddy.
Oh, hi. And I fixed it.
Obviously, you see that I already had it in right there.
Feels good to win. Feels good.
Winning.